Alright, welcome to Mathematics Mean, a beautiful program for beautiful and handsome people like you. This is a program that has really helped a lot of students as far as the study of mathematics is concerned. Today on Mathematics Mean, we are looking at breakfast questions. So we are on breakfast question 9, and there is need for you to stay away from every distraction so that you can be able to understand what we are going to do right now. You know, we need to give you breakfast, we need to give you lunch, and also we need to give you dinner. It's very, very important. So let's begin with the breakfast question of today. Find the numbers whose arithmetic mean is 39 and geometric mean is 15. Now, once we hear geometric mean and arithmetic mean, the topic that will come to our mind is the topic sequence. In sequence, we have what we call arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is for arithmetic progression, while geometric mean is for geometric progression. So when we have a set of numbers, we can actually find the arithmetic mean and we can also find geometric mean. So if we have two numbers, we can insert a mean here for the two numbers. So if I have these two numbers, because for you to talk about mean, we have at least two numbers. So if I have two numbers for AP now, let's say I have A, B, and C. The arithmetic mean of these two numbers, A and B, is the B that is between two of them for AP. The same thing in GP, A, B, and C. The arithmetic mean of the two numbers A and C is this number B that is between the two numbers, provided that the three we form consecutive terms in what? In a given what? In a given AP or what? Or GP. So we're going to solve this problem using the knowledge of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So we can say now, let's begin. Let the numbers be A and C. So what is the arithmetic mean of A and C? So arithmetic mean of A and C will be A plus C divided by what? By 2. Yeah, that's the arithmetic mean. So in AP, if I have A, B, and C, that's in arithmetic progression, B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. So B is the arithmetic mean here because A, B, C are consecutive terms in what? In this AP. Then if I have a GP with terms A, B, and C, B is the geometric mean, and that is AC. So this geometric mean, this is what arithmetic mean. So the arithmetic mean of A and C, we have said let the numbers be A and C, and we are told find the numbers whose arithmetic mean is 39 and their geometric mean is 2. So the arithmetic mean of A and C, which are the numbers that we want to find, is equal to A plus C divided by 2. Now we are given the arithmetic mean of these numbers to be what? 39. So we are going to have that 39, which is the arithmetic mean, is equal to A plus C all upon 2. So if I clear this fraction, I will have A plus C will give us 2 times 39. So A plus C will give us 78. So we can call this the first equation. Then we're given another term there, geometric mean. So geometric mean of A and C will be square root of AC based on the principle of what? Of geometric progression. So if that is the case, they gave us the geometric mean to be 15. So we're going to have 15 is equal to square root of AC. If I square both sides, I'm going to have 15 squared equals AC, because when I square this, I will have AC. So 15 squared is 225 equals AC. So AC is equal to 225. I'll call this equation 2. Now, I need to solve these two equations simultaneously in order to find my A and my what and my C. So let's go. If from equation 1 we have this to the third 78 here, A plus C to the 78, that's my 1. Then AC is 225, that's my equation 2. Now I can solve this by substitution, so I can say let from equation 1 now, from equation 1, we have that A will be equal to 78 minus C when we make A the subject of formula from equation 1. So substitute the value of A, substitute the value of A from 1 into 2, into equation 2. So we're going to use the whole of this to replace A here. So if we do that, we have 78 minus C times C is equal to 225. If I expand this, I will have 78C minus C squared is equal to 225. Rearranging this, I will have 0. If I push everything to that side, I have C squared minus 78C plus 225. Transferring it again, changing the size, we have C squared minus 78C plus 225 equals what? 0. So this is a quadratic equation now. It's a quadratic equation which we need to actually solve. So let's solve for C. Now, if we decide to solve for C, now we can use factorization method or general formula method, or you're completing the square method. Let's use our factorization. It will simplify a lot of things for us. So let's go with factorization method. So if it's factorization method, I can find two factors here. If I do C squared times plus 225, I will have plus 225C squared. Then find two numbers you multiply to give you this. When you add them, you have this. It's very clear to me. I have 3 and 75. There are other numbers, because I know that 3 times 75 will give me 225. I have that 5 times 45 will give me 225. 9 times 25 will give me that. 15 times 15 will give me that. So on. That's possible. Yeah. So, but the one that can possibly give us 78 when we sum them will be this. So let's see. We have to give signs to them. The first sign we always go to the bigger number. So we have minus 75. The product and the first and the second sign, we can give it to the smaller number. So minus times this will give me minus 3. So minus 75 minus 3 will give us minus 78. And when I say minus 75 times minus 3, I will have plus 225. So the two times, or the two numbers will be this. We attach the variable to it before we factorize. Use it to replace this. We have minus 75C minus 3C plus 225 is equal to 0. We factorize by grouping. We have this C minus 75 minus 3 is common. Factor that. We have C is become minus 75 because of this minus sign equals 0. So completing the factorization, C minus 75 is common. Factor it. We have C minus 3 equals 0. So it means that now C can solve up here. That C minus 75 equals 0, or let's start from here. C minus 75 equals 0, or C minus 3 equals 0. So C is equal to 0 plus 75, or C is equal to 0 plus 3. That's what you have here. And that will give me C to be 75, or C is equal to 3. So I can now find A. Recall, A is 78 minus C. So when C is equal to 75, A will be 78 minus 75. A will be 3. And when C is equal to 3, A will be 78 now minus 3. A will be 75. So A is 3, C 75, or A is 75, C 3. These two will actually satisfy the condition for arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Yeah, because if we look at this, if A is 3 and C is 75, 3 times 75 is 225. Square root of 225 is 15. The same thing applicable when you interchange them. The same thing here. If A is 3 and C is 75, 3 plus 75 will give us 78. And when 2 divides 78, we have what? 39. All right, that's all on our breakfast question for today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then follow us on Facebook. And God will continue to bless you. Remember, mathematics is life. So eat mathematics in the morning, eat it in the day, and also eat it at night so that you will be healthy mathematically. Thank you, and God bless you.